All right, I just wanted to update you. We have had wind for 72 hours. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. And this thing has not moved an inch. And I just walked over to it and I tried to wiggle it and it is still dead nut solid. So thank you, Richard. This thing is totally structurally sound. Good morning, everybody. It's 6 a.m. on the 8th of July. Sun's just coming up over the desert there. As you can see on the inside here, this will be non-privacy, so we can see in there. On the outside, it'll be privacy fencing, see? So they pretty much got it all done but the gates. This will be a swing-through gate here you could drive through. Walk-through gate there, and then the same thing on this end. Be a swing gate here you can drive through, and a walk-through gate there. And like I said before, this will be an area that when my big boy's in here, he can go to the bathroom in here. What's up, buddy? Run around chasing bunnies. So it's looking really good. We're going to be done this week here. A lot of people go 6-foot fence for privacy. A lot of people go 48-inch fence. But my dog's kennel was 48 inches, the one I tore out last couple videos, and he knows he can jump that. So I made this 60 inches, 5 feet. That way we still get a lot of privacy in here. Like in this little side yard, it'll still be private. But when I come out, I can see right over the top. See? And just see my view when I want to see my view. So future plans are going to be, we're going to do something around the whole curb area that doesn't obstruct our view but gives us some retainment, because I don't want my big crazy dog jumping over. He likes to go over the top, so he runs up to the edge and he looks over and he sees a rodent or something, and then he bolts down there. And it is kind of eroding away the bank a little bit. So I actually have plans for my tractor guy to come back and re-slope this whole thing using dirt from other parts of the property. That'll be in about a month or two. So our fence needs are going to go back all the way around this curb area, and then we're going to do some grass and some other things back behind the now repaired shade structure. So today's the 8th. They're supposed to be here to finish that fence. We'll see what it looks like when I get home. All right, it is July 10th, and it was so windy. You heard me complaining about the wind last few videos here, that I couldn't video when I got home to show you this fence is all done. This is the pool filter cleaning area, dirt bike pressure wash area, dog take a leak area. This whole area will eventually be Juno's one large kennel, and we'll get rid of the little kennel. They will go when my son buys another house. So for now, they're in here in their kennel because they've proven to be pretty much titanium chainsaw teeth dogs. They can get out. In fact, check this out. I'll even show you. Here's a couple pictures of what they've done so far. They actually ripped all this out here, made a big hole, knocked this gate completely off the hinge. They've gotten out several times, but what we've done is we've done hose clamps across the bottom, hose clamps all the way across the sides. Instead of these stupid cheap tinfoil, these are panel hinges or panel clamps. We got the horse corral ones. Check this out. This sucker is tight. Like, you could wiggle this corner and the whole wall would pivot back and forth. This was more like a hinge. than a clamp. But now these are all the way around. So we would wake up in the morning and the kennel would be that way 4 feet, and there would be a big hole and they'd be gone. So we've been able to recover them both times. And now they're kind of settling in. So I just want to show you this fence. You know, this is the east side fence we got done for those reasons I just stated. We have a drive-through gate here. I can pull stuff in here, razor, dirt bike, whatever. I can back a truck in if I'm needing to get stuff in here. This guy came out really good. And it goes all the way down, you know, to that edge. So the property's coming together. Just another improvement, you know. It's been a little over a year and a half now. In October will be 2 years we've owned this place. You've seen all the stuff we've done. This will be your yard one day. This will be your yard one day. Take a look at his eyeballs. You see his eyeballs? Come here, buddy. See how they're kind of white? He's going blind. 2 years old, starting to see the effects when he runs. He bumps into stuff. And it is a bummer. We've been giving him eye drops for over a year now, but it's catching up. Other families that own his relatives have it, and they're blind too. So we were super bummed at first. Hi, buddy. But now we figure, hey, you know, we do care. We care a lot about our animals. So maybe he's meant to be with us. So we'll take extra care of him. And then we'll just change his name to Magoo.